Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Verify the exact compression shut-off valve model and electrical rating so the replacement matches. Once confirmed, disconnect the battery and relieve system pressure to prevent injury and fluid loss. Make sure you have the correct seals and tools at hand, wrench set, multimeter, and safety gloves. Begin by testing the old valve with the multimeter to note wiring and continuity. Document connector pin positions so reassembly is foolproof. You proceed by labeling each wire and unplugging the connector, then unbolt the valve from its mount. Once removed, inspect the mating surface for corrosion or debris and clean it thoroughly so the new seal seats evenly. Replace any O-rings or gaskets with OEM parts. This prevents leaks and performance loss. Install the new valve, torque bolts to the specified value, and reconnect wiring according to your labels. Once connected, restore battery power for initial testing. You complete the job by running diagnostics and cycling the system to confirm the new valve opens and closes correctly under command. Once done, inspect for leaks and listen for unusual sounds. Make sure the correct voltage and control signal reach the valve. After a cautious road or load test, retorque fasteners and recheck seals following the first hour of operation to catch settling issues. If the valve fails to operate, check fuse, ground, and wiring continuity first.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.